everyone, make a ponytail, divide the hairs like this from the between, and then put the other ends like this by dividing the hairs into two parts, and then fold the other side of the hairs in the same manner. Fix it by dividing them from the between, and then tie the hairs together like this after rotating it. Rotate it from the between, rotate all the four sections of the hairs. Now fix them together like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides and then fix it using the rubber band. Now take rest of the hairs and roll it around the hairs like this on the top, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to follow our page. Next, tie half of the hairs and fix this ribboned hairband. Now, to fix the ribbon on the hairband, we will make the plaits on the hairs like this. So watch these steps very carefully, how we are fixing the ribbons on the hairs by making the plaits. Tie them and take it till the end like this. At the end, we will fold it and fix it, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Divide the hairs into two parts like this. Now take the hairs from the sides in the very small sections and then roll it around the hairs like this by joining it. So watch this technique very carefully, how we are taking the hairs in these small sections and rolling around the hairs and tying them. Watch it very carefully, and then we will join the hairs in the same manner by rolling it from both the sides. Take it till the end by tying the hairs in the same manner. Follow these steps till the end and fix the hairs carefully. Tie it at the end using a rubber band, and your hairstyle will be ready. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. So this is a very complicated hairstyle, so you have to watch it very carefully, and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs on the sides and make a ponytail. Make a small section of the plaits on the top. Now take rest of the hairs and fix this bun plate. Roll it upward and fix it like this and spread the hairs to make a bun. Fix the plaited hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching our video.